Hey guys, another train video. Shout out to Sesizemore. I didn't even shout out today. Sorry about that. Let's get into this. Shout out to Damian Moore. Shout out to Jason Storm. Shout out to Pearl Jade. And let's get into this. I'm a train. Now, I don't know if you guys like my other video, but I'm on it. There's two cats, and one of them in here. House went downstairs. I was thinking it was on the train yesterday. I'm gonna see if you guys want me to reverse. I'm gonna reverse today. Why I can't? I had a little extra keyboard part. I have to work very slow. Dude, Lucky's looking at the phone. The train. It still fell over. Like, I need more. Here, I'll be right back. I'm back. I had to do some reinforcements. Some, like, extra stuff. Let's go. Hops, what are you doing? What am I doing? Why are you doing that? Look at him. He's like concentrating. He's like, I want to get that phone. He's trying to get it. No, look what she did to the train when I went by. She absolutely destroyed it. I was thinking last night, taking the track apart, and he just jumped down. They're both looking at the train. I'm like, what just happened? Guys, what? I'm going to reverse the train. Let's see what they do. Oops, my cord. Oops. Should I take the track apart and build like, nah, I'm good. Now, can I have my train back? I'll be right back, guys. Lucky. Go, 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 go! I guess he's scared of it. One of my trains like crash and breaks. Here, I'll be right back. Good idea. I was testing it out and I guess it worked. Yeah, it's not gonna work like this. That's not really a good idea. I'm I'm gonna put my track back the way it was. Look what I just cut the whole straightaway. Now extra track. I'm back. Putting this. I'm gonna do this. I put my car in reverse. Here I'm gonna do something cool. There we go. Okay, it doesn't work either way. Here, I'm gonna pause real quick. Sorry. Okay, let's go. Add some adjustments. Whoa! See? It reinforced it, so it didn't fall over and hit it in the back. Oh, I'm sorry if I don't give it this. The heck? Creepy monster. Creepy monster. I reinforced it, so I won't roll. Smart idea. Add 2 extra reinforcements. That can't stop it. Won't go too. I'm gonna move the train. Actually, my plot. No, let's go. Yes, take it easy. Stop. I'm gonna pause the video and I'll be right back. Ready? Let's go. Actually, I got the person. This doesn't stop it. that off. Take this off and do this. Whoa! Off the train. Sorry, I grabbed my phone and grabbed it. That's probably gonna be the end of the video there. Hope you guys all enjoyed the video. Can I get some subscribers and likes and comments and try to get up to 20 subscribers maybe? No. 15 before I say 20. Because I have 10 right now. Thank you for 10 people who subscribe and watch my channel. And yeah, see you guys in the next video.